What's up guys, it's your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a very simple step-by-step method you can use and you can make some extra money very fast online guys. So be sure to watch this video step by step, and if you take action on this method I'm going to show you guys today, you can make a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys examples of other people that are already using this exact method and they're making a lot of money online. I'm going to go and use that exact method right today, and using free tools, so no investment is needed for you to get started with this method and start making extra money with this exact method guys. So that's it guys. So if you want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make money every day online using Clickbank, be sure to click the first link in the description. I can get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day on Clickbank. And if you're new to the channel guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online and online any methods that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. So be sure to watch this video step by step till the end, and if you take action on this method you can start getting some results very fast and you can make a lot of money using this exact method guys. So that's it guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys step by step how I can use this exact method right today and start making some extra money very fast guys. So that's it. So let's get into the video guys. So with this exact method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys step by step how I can go and make a lot of money from YouTube very easily using a free software, and can go and get started using this exact method right today. I'm going to show you guys how others are already using this exact method and they're making a lot of money guys. You can make up to $1,000 plus per month using this exact method guys. I'm going to show you guys example of people that are using this method and are making a lot of money guys. So if you go to YouTube and you type for example card videos, so I just type for example card videos compilation, you're going to see a lot of videos guys. You can see a lot of videos and they're getting a lot of views, and this is something I can go and use right today and can make a lot of money if you are going to follow this exact method I'm going to show you guys step by step till the end using a free software. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and do this and start making some extra money very fast as well. So you can see card videos compilation. So you can see this first video has up to 100 million views guys. So you can see 29 million views, and these are, for example, this one is 2 years old. So I filter by this. For example, this month you're going to see new videos and they're also getting a lot of views guys. So you can see this one 3 weeks and it already has 2.8 million views. So these particular videos of card videos, they get a lot of views on YouTube, and many people are making money from uploading these videos on YouTube. That is completely free. With this exam method I'm going to be showing you guys, I can make a lot of money. So show to watch step by step and take action on this method guys. So what I'm going to do is that, so let me open one of these channels. So I open on this channel for example. So let's open this channel and let's watch the video guys. Okay guys, so you can see guys, before the video plays you are going to see an advertisement and they're making money from this advertisement guys. So you can see this video has just been uploaded and can have up to 2 million views, so they have made a lot of money from this particular video as well guys. So it's going to show advertisement, and anytime that they show an advertisement is shown in front of these videos, they are making money from this advertisement. So let's skip this. So that's guys, so you can see the video. So you can see guys, what they are doing is that they are only making simple compilation videos on card videos guys. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the free software you can use and where to get these videos that are copyright free and put it on YouTube and start getting a lot of views and start making a lot of money guys. So let me show you guys another channel. So there are many of these channels that do these compilation videos, and they're making these compilation videos because they get a lot of views on YouTube, and you can make a lot of money if you're going to be using this exact method guys. So you can see these are different channels. So if I click on this one for example, you're going to see it's a simple compilation video. It's all compilation videos guys. So you can see this one has up to 700,000 views and it's just been recently uploaded guys. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and leverage this and you're going to make a lot of money. So let's go to the channel itself. So let's go to the channel guys, and what you can see guys is that they make only compilation videos. You can see they make only compilation videos and they upload it on YouTube and they're getting a lot of views. So if I start by views, let me see how much views they get per month. So let me click on views. In the last 30 days, they got 14 million views on this particular channel guys, and they have only 60,000 subscribers on this particular channel, and these other ones are getting a lot more views guys. So if I search on views, you can see that this particular channel get up to 48 million views per month guys, and they're making a lot of money from these views because all their videos are monetized and they're making money from YouTube advertisement, guys. So let me show you guys another example. So this is another example. This is another channel. And you go to this channel, you're going to see that they're only uploading mostly compilation videos, guys. So you can see there are simple compilation videos of cats. So you can see, guys. So what you can do is that, let me show you guys how much traffic this one is getting every month. So we'll start by views. They're getting up to 2 million views per month, guys. So let's copy this. So let me show you guys how you can make money from this channel, guys. So let me copy this one, for example. Let me see how much money they can make from this channel. So I go to Social Blade. So if I go to Social Blade, you're going to see that this particular channel is making between $700 to $11,000 per month from uploading these simple card videos, guys. So let me show you guys this other one, for example. So we've copied the name of this one, and let's go to Social Blade and let's see how much this particular channel is making per month. So let's search. Let's input the username and click on search. We're going to choose the channel. So this is the channel. So let's see how much money they're making per month, guys. And you can see this particular channel is making between $3,000 to $57,000 per month, guys. Uploading videos are completely free for you to go and create and upload on YouTube, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and create a simple YouTube channel, uploading simple compilation videos to YouTube like this, guys. So let me show you guys how you can go and get this content. So you can see the videos are very short, so you don't need to make a lot of long videos to upload on YouTube and get a lot of views. So you can see this one 2 days ago has also 89,000 views on this particular one, 23,000 views. And let me show you guys how you can go and do this, guys. So what I want to do is I want to go and get the videos that are copyright free, so you're not going to have any trouble when you're putting these videos on YouTube, guys. So let me show you guys, and let me show you guys the free software that can go and use and create these videos very easily. So the first step is that you're going to go to Instagram. You're going to go and get videos very easily, guys. So let's go to Instagram, and let me show you guys how you can go and do this and get a lot of videos for completely free. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Instagram and you're going to type, for example, card videos. So that's all you're going to do. Type card videos. If you type card videos, you're going to find a lot of different videos that can go on download. So just type card videos and you can see the hashtag. Let's open this hashtag and let's open other Instagram pages. So let's click on this one, for example. So these are all card videos, guys. So these are all card videos that are completely free on Instagram, and you're not going to get any copyright because these are already on Instagram and they are not on YouTube, so you're not going to get any copyright strikes. So you can see this particular page has only card videos, guys, and you can see they have 600 posts on this particular page, and which means that they have up to 600 videos that are already on this one Instagram page that you can go on, use and compile them, and you can make a lot of money by uploading it on YouTube, guys. So let me show you guys the other one. So let me show you guys the hashtags. So click on the hashtag, you're going to see a lot of different card videos. So click on any of this, you're going to go to the particular account and you're going to find a lot more videos, guys. So let's click on this one, for example, and let's go to the account and let's see if they have more card videos, guys. So you can see they have a lot more card videos on this particular account. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go and download these videos. I'm going to show you guys the free software so you can just compile this, upload it on YouTube, and start making some money from YouTube AdSense, guys. So let me show you guys how you can do this. So all you're going to do is that you're going to go and copy the URL of the page you want to download the videos. As I show you guys in some of my videos, just copy the URL and go to this website, GramSave. You're going to go to gramsave.com. It's going to enable you to save these videos very easily. So you're going to paste the URL of the page you want to download the videos and click on download. And it's going to let you download these videos very easily, guys. So you can see the videos I've already loaded here, and if you want to download these videos, all you're going to do is that we're going to click on download. So let's click on download, and that is it, the video has been downloaded. So what you're going to do is you're going to download multiple videos, so you're going to compile them and put it back on YouTube and start making some extra money from YouTube ad revenue. So we're going to download some of this. So let me just download some. What you can do is you can download, for example, 10 of these different compilations so that the video will be at least 3 minutes long and you can upload it on YouTube. So let me just download this last one, for example. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and compile this. So let me show you guys the free software that you can go and use and compile this very easily and upload it very fast on YouTube right today, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website. The website is called clickbank.com. So that is the name of the website. So you're going to go to clickbank.com/mesh/video, guys. So let me copy the URL. Let me show you guys the URL. So let me go to Google. So you're going to go to this particular website, guys. So let me show you guys the URL right here. So you're going to go to this particular URL, clickbank.com/mesh/video. It's going to take you to this website, and you're going to be able to mesh your videos very easily for completely free. So you don't need any investment to get started with this method. So once you go to this page, all you're going to do is you're going to go and choose the videos that you have already downloaded, and you're going to merge them, and you're going to compile them, and you're going to upload it on YouTube. So once you go to this page, all you're going to do is you're going to click on choose files, and you're going to choose videos that you want to merge. So from here you're going to click on choose files, and we're going to select the videos that we just downloaded. So these are the videos that we just downloaded. We're going to select all of them. So let's select all of this. I'm going to click on open. It's going to be open right here, and it's going to be meshed, and we can just download this and upload it back on YouTube. And this tool is completely free, guys. So you can see, guys, the video has already been compiled, so you can see the video. So this is the video, the first video, the second video, the third video, and the fourth video, guys. So what we're going to do is that you can go and add audio. So if you click on add audio, you're going to be able to add some audio in the background of the video, and you can just leave it like that if you don't want to add any audio, guys. And also from here you can choose the size. So you can choose the size of the video. So you can click on this. It's going to be bigger. So you can click on this to increase the size. And that's it, guys. So you can choose any of this size, and all you're going to do is you're going to click on mesh, and it's going to mesh this file, and you're going to be able to download it and upload it back on YouTube, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to add, for example, 10 video clips, so that the video to be a lot longer. And that's all. You're going to click on mesh, and that's going to be done, guys. And you're going to be able to download this and upload it back on YouTube and start making some extra money, guys. So that's all you're going to do on mesh, and that's all. And you want to add more videos, you can just click right here, add more videos. And you're going to select more videos, and you can add them right here. So for this example, all you're going to do is you're going to click on mesh, and these videos are going to be meshed, guys. So that's how easy this, guys. So from here it's already done. All you're going to do is you're going to click on download, and it's going to be downloaded, guys. So you mostly want to choose this and click on Google Drive, so it's going to be sent to your Google Drive, guys. So that's one of the method that works very well, because most of the time once you click on download, it's not going to download. So what you want to do is you want to click on this, and you want to go to Google Drive, and it's going to be sent to your Google Drive, and you can download it from your Google Drive and upload it on YouTube, guys. So that's a simple method I wanted to show you guys that you can go and use right today. You can start making some extra money. So all you're going to do is take action on this method. You can see that other people are already making a lot of money on YouTube using this exact method, and it's for completely free, so you don't need any investment for you to get started and start making money with this method of showing you guys today, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you're going to find time that I post new videos that can help you guys to start making some extra money very fast online, guys. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.